Hi, and welcome to SHROFFism. And just like that, it's summer yet again. How's it going for all of you? Are you pursuing your hobbies and interests on a regular basis? Well, summertime is meant to sit back and relax. But it's also time to pursue your hobbies and interests for which you don't find time around the year. With summer break at the doorstep, it's time to pursue hobbies and explore interests. And since we need to stay indoors and be safe anyways, why not make this time very interesting? Since everyone has access to phones, why not constructively try and follow a regime that includes fun activities and meaningful interactions? Let's say we make a friends group who'd be interested in a month-long calendar of to-do suggestions. List an activity per day and try and follow it. You'll be surprised that while you're following a timetable, the variety of activities will make it so exciting. Something like make a podcast, attend a yoga session online, learn dance or choreography, do some gardening, bake healthy cookies, cook up a salad, drawing, painting, artwork, sing a song, record it, pursue a fun online program. But remember, while you're participating in a group, make sure that you share the activities within each other so that you keep motivating yourself and the other to follow the complete 30-day grid. Enjoy your summer break.